Hurry, hurry up, put them in the deep fryer now. Wait, move it.
No, they're not, look, it's not ready yet.
Oh no.
They gotta get hot.
It is hot.
They gotta get hot.
It is hotter.
Fran, I turned this off for nothing.
Is that ketchup?
Put them in.
Hey, kiddo, can you put... Okay.
Check it real quick. Try it. Oh, shit, that cooks fast.
Pour it all in.
One by one, man.
Okay.
One by one, camera.
Come on, cooking sheep.
Just put them in.
Down.
Move it.
Yuck, that's sick. I don't know why we need time. That's sick, man.
Can you just pick it up?
Check it out.